Hey there, makeup lovers. Are you tired of spending money on lipsticks that just don't work for your skin tone? Well, look no further, because today, we're going to talk about how to choose the right lipstick for your skin tone. Before we dive in, did you know that lipstick has been around for over 5,000 years? Ancient Sumerian women crushed gemstones to decorate their lips. Now let's fast forward to present day and get into how to choose the perfect lipstick for you. The first step is figuring out your skin tone. You may already know if you're cool, warm, or neutral toned, but if not, here's some guidance. If you have pink, blue or red undertones, then you're cool toned. If you have yellow, peach or golden undertones, then you're warm toned. And if you can't quite figure it out, you may be neutral toned. Next, let's dive into which lipstick shades work for each undertone. For cool toned skin, shades with blue, pink or purple undertones work great. Think raspberry, fuchsia, or even deep red. On the other hand, warm toned skin looks great in orange, coral and brick red shades. Lastly, neutral toned individuals can rock both cool and warm shades, so feel free to experiment. The texture of a lipstick can also play a role in how it looks on your skin tone. For example, a matte lipstick can look great on cool toned skin, but can make warm toned skin look too dry. A satin or glossy finish is a great option for those with warm toned skin. But let's not forget about personal preference. Sometimes, we just want to wear a shade that we love, regardless of whether or not it suits our skin tone. And that's okay. Makeup is all about expressing ourselves and feeling confident. In conclusion, when choosing the right lipstick for your skin tone, consider your undertone, the shades that work well for your undertone, and the texture of the lipstick. But most importantly, wear what makes you feel confident and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive 2 videos every day for free. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.